Long before modern weapons and armies, warriors across Africa believed powerful gods fought beside them. These were not gentle spirits of peace. They were gods of war, thunder, iron, storms, and destruction, feared by enemies and respected by kings across the continent. Warriors called on these deities for courage, protection, and victory in battle. One of the most feared war gods in West Africa was Ogun. Worshipped among the Yoruba people of Nigeria, Ogun ruled over iron, metal, hunting, and warfare. Every sword, spear, or machete was believed to carry his power before battle. Warriors poured palm wine or sacrificed animals to honor him. They believed if Ogun favored them, their weapons would never break and their enemies would fall. Another feared war deity was Shango. Shango was believed to control thunder and lightning. According to tradition, he was once a powerful king who later became a god. When lightning struck the earth, people believed Shango had thrown his fiery weapon from the sky. Warriors believed that with Shango's power behind them, their enemies would be struck down by divine thunder. Among the Igbo people of Nigeria, the feared thunder god was Amadioha. Amadioha represented justice, vengeance, and divine punishment. When lightning destroyed a house or tree, it was often believed the god had punished someone guilty of a terrible crime. Warriors believed Amadioha fought on the side of truth and righteousness, striking enemies who had committed evil. Another powerful but misunderstood deity in Igbo tradition was Ekwensu. Before colonial influence, Ekwensu was known as a spirit of war, strategy, and negotiation. Warriors believed he could guide them in battle tactics and help them outsmart their enemies. Some traditions also linked him with trade, cunning, and intelligence, showing that victory in war often depended not just on strength, but on strategy. Over time, outside religious influences began portraying Ekwensu as a purely evil spirit, but historically he played a much more complex role. In ancient Egypt, one of the most feared gods was Set. Set ruled over storms, violence, deserts, and chaos. Although sometimes viewed as a villain in mythology, Egyptian warriors respected his destructive strength. Pharaohs believed that Set's wild power could help them defeat powerful enemies. He symbolized the dangerous and unpredictable nature of war. One of the most powerful female war deities was Oya. Oya controlled violent winds, lightning, and powerful storms. She was also known as a fearless warrior who fought beside the god Shango. Warriors believed she could create storms that confused enemy armies and protected her followers. She was also the guardian of the gateway between life and death, making her one of the most feared spirits in Yoruba mythology. Across Africa, gods of war shaped the courage of warriors and the destiny of kingdoms. From the iron of Ogun, the thunder of Shango, the justice of Amadioha, the strategy of Ekwensu, and the storms of Oya, these deities inspired for centuries. Their stories remain part of Africa's rich spiritual and historical heritage.